Okay, Lady Ada, what is this?
Hey, everybody, and welcome to your Wednesday night 7:30 show and tell, the best 20 minutes on the internet. We see what people around the world are making in their workshops, whether it be crafting, sewing, 3D printing, electronics, coding, or whatnot. We're here to check it out. Come on by. We're on StreamYard till 7:50, and we got to go get ready for the next show. So let's kick it off with some Adafruit peeps. Melissa, what are you doing?
I am working on...
Oh, Tori. I mean in a positive way.
Huh?
What are you doing?
What are you doing?
I am working on the TFT gizmo here, and it is running the image demo here. Oh, yeah, I'm holding it right side up. And I've been working on the guide for that and adding a lot of example code, and I just got the image loader code going today. And a fun little thing with this is you can use like a paperclip or something to route like one of the signals to the audio here, and then you can hear it as it draws.
You can hear the display. Multimedia.
It has a built-in speaker.
All right, well, looking great.
That's cool.
And bleepy. All right, coming soon to learn. All that stuff. Thanks.
Yeah.
Okay, next up, Brian.
Howdy.
Hello.
So I've been working on a bunch of things. There seems to be a trend of motion sensors on my desk. Here we go. This is the LSM303. We're showing. Okay, so this is all the X, Y, and Z being plotted in the Arduino serial plotter. You can see if I shake it, it shakes.
That's some good
all the graphs go wiggly diggly.
Diggly.
Yep. So that means it's working.
That's how you know it's working. All right, cool. There you go. That's MEMS in action. All right, so that's, which chip is that?
This is the LSM303 AGR.
Okay, coming soon.
Magnetometer and accelerometer.
Okay, next up, magnetometer.
Yep.
All right, and then you can make a compass out of it. That'll be cool. All right, thanks for the demo, Brian.
Sure thing.
All right, JP.
Hello.
What's in your workshop?
Well, last week I put out this guide for using the monster mask as both an eye display for my little hand puppet here, as well as the voice changer. So you can see here I've got the monster mask in separated mode, and I can actually unplug this USB cable that was just charging my battery there. Well, I won't tempt fate and mess with it. But what I've got plugged in is our little PDM microphone using our little Stemma QT connector there. And it's kind of a small puppet, but I'm going to get my hand in here, and then I'm going to switch my input here to the other microphone. This is the voice changed version. Hello, humans. It is time for us to give me all of the candy corn.
You sound like you.
That's your regular voice, JP.
Oh, no. Hold on.
That's when that's like
I'm mostly scary.
That's like when you tell someone you're taking a still photo, but you take a video and they're just like,
Test. Oh, can you hear it that way?
No.
It's not. Oh, hold on. I know what it is.
This is great.
I know what it is. Stand by. Here we go.
I like creepy JP voice without the voice changing. Yeah. That sounds like...
That sounds more demonic. All I heard was candy corn, and I'm terrified.
Yeah.
All right.
Did that work?
Yes.
Yeah, that worked.
All right. I forgot to tell it to go through the other mic input. Yeah, that's always so embarrassing. It's like someone seeing behind Oz's curtain, like, I'm doing a funny voice. No, you're not.
Yeah, folks can like download the chipmunks and then change the speed, and you can hear the actual voices.
It's upsetting.
That's also a terrifying thing to do. Yeah, it's like
I think we did that on a record player when I was a kid. We just slowed it down with our finger.
It's like three guys from the Bronx. They're like, hey,
yeah, but check this out, because there's just a UF2 to download and config setting to change in the i.config file to say that you're using the voice changer. And then you've got some, you can use some of the buttons that are on the monster mask to pitch it up and down. I won't switch it back to do that, but you can go up and down a few octaves, and you can also turn on a modulator that gives it that sort of Dalek sound to it and modulates the signal with a sine wave. So really impressive that that's happening alongside of pretty high frame rate eyeball stuff. So love the monster mask, and it's great for this kind of prop.
Yay. All right.
Okay, and we'll see you some of your videos on show tonight on Ask an Engineer, and then tomorrow your show at 4 p.m. Eastern Time.
Yeah, the Halloween madness continues tomorrow. This is going to be a fun one.
All month long.
Okay.
All right, thank you, JP. And next up, Erin, you're working on a costume too.
Yep, I got a monster mask project also. So I just got this amazing fur Shruggy Stole thing, which I'm turning into a little Fizzgig puppet from the Dark Crystal. So I've got my monster mask in here, hiding in there, and I'm making it. He's going to be able to shout and make little barking noises and stuff. He's still a work in progress, so I'm really hoping to get him hooked up to a servo so that this will happen automatically. Maybe when you boop his little nose, he'll be able to just go a little nuts. So I'm really enjoying this new Dark Crystal reboot on Netflix and having a lot of fun.
Okay, so you're joining with the Fizzgigs.
Absolutely.
The Fizzgigs, do they appear in the new remake?
He did, yeah. I'm not all the way up to, but yeah, they're in there. So
okay.
Got this sort of DeVille thing going on where maybe I skin a bunch of them and wear them.
I think that's hilarious. Yeah, I love that. It's like you turn around, you're like, it's like this mannequin. All right, well, this looks cool. That'll be a future project from you.
On its way.
All right, thanks. Sorry, cut you off early.
I thought you were finished. Sorry,
Aaron. Okay, next up, Noe Pedro.
Hey guys!
Hello.
Happy Halloween month! Yay!
Yeah.
Yeah, so we've been doing Halloween for about a month. We've already started listening to Christmas music, unfortunately. No. We already got so we got another Monster Mask project. A couple weeks ago, we did the 3D printed case for it. We put it on a hat. Lamar was like, that looks like Cappy. So we made a Cappy version of it. So instead of splitting them apart like we did for the antenna eyes, we split them apart so we could bring them closer together to get that cool little look that Cappy has. Cool. So it's just 3D printed enclosure that mounts the split monster mask in there, and we have the official little Mario Odyssey.
Yeah, that's a nice mod. So so the hat came with the eyes, and you cut them out, or
yeah, you just rip them off and then sew on the little 3D printed enclosure. So you just got sew tabs on there, and you can actually still access all the ports if you want to add like a speaker and all that stuff on there. You still have access to all that. Just like a crafting project, really. Definitely not a last-minute project because it takes about 4 hours to print the case, and then doing all the crafts and all that's going to take a while.
Okay, and then you got the eyeball moving inside.
Yeah, so we got config for that. Super simple, nice little Cappy to go along with the costume.
Good project.
Yeah, super cool.
Nice upgrade.
Okay, and then you got the voice changer.
You just like that channel.
I thought I'd play with it too.
What's that, Phil?
On tonight's show, we have 2 weeks of your videos. We have we have this week's, and then we have the Lego lamp, and then we have 2 sped up videos. So twice the Rose Brothers.
I know.
Yeah. And then tune in 3D Hangouts. We go over the CAD files and all that stuff. You can modify to make a completely different set of eyes if you want.
All right, Phil B, you're a fan of the voice changer.
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
Okay. Let's go to Paint Your Dragon.
All right, next up. Paint Your Dragon. Hello.
Hey, I'm monster masking as well. I showed this last week.
We want to see it again.
Eyeball and the voice changer going at the same time. But
the guide for this is now live, so you can go read it. And something I'm enjoying on this current round of projects, we've made this so easy to do now that a lot of the guides used to be like teaching electronics to craft people. And this time around, we kind of flipped it, and you get to go more into the crafts. Like if you're an electronics person and you don't know the costume part of the craft stuff too much, we've been able to kind of cover more of that this time around, which I really enjoy.
Yeah, I like that you can pick up a very inexpensive but high quality mask at any store, and with just a little bit of paint and more, you get something like this, and you don't even need to do a ton with the electronics. And if you want to make customize, you could just change graphics. You don't have to hang out in a IDE and a tool chain for 10 hours either.
That's some nice swirling eyes too. You're like the artiste of eyeball code.
Yeah, that's just there was a picture of fire that someone posted. They're like, free image, just give them credit, which I did. And it's great because you can go find nice eye images on the internets and drop them in there fairly easily now.
All right.
All right.
Thank you so much.
Check out
Sure.
yeah.
Okay.
All right, check out that guy because it's a sweet mask. I love that it combines all of the things that you got going on.
That's great.
And the voice changer. That's a good. Are you gonna wear that for this Halloween, or you got a different costume?
I probably have like 10 or 11 other things I might be wearing.
Yeah. Okay.
Yeah.
I might bring a friend along and say, hey, you want to wear this demon goat?
I know this is like a one.
Paint Your Dragon is like the Beyonce or Lady Gaga of Halloween, where there's like 18 costume
I
changes
know.
throughout the day. You should
Like
see
the
the
Britney
rider.
Spears.
You should see the rider that he has.
Yeah.
He has to have zombie Skittles, all that. Okay.
I know.
All right.
All right. Well, thanks, Phil B.
Okay.
Yep. See you later.
Sweet. Okay. Next
let's
up,
go to
let's go to
Richard and then
Richard
JMK.
A. Hello. Welcome.
Hey guys, so I just got a membership over here at CoMotion, which is UW, University of Washington's makerspace. So I'm trying to do some work over here since they actually have some pretty good machines. But I'm revisiting a project a friend of mine asked me to do, which is, if you guys remember that huge cloud that I had that did the thunder and the lightning and could read the weather patterns. It was kind of my first big IoT data visualization project. That one was done with a particle photon. So now I think the code is a little bit better in using the feather. So I'm using the music maker. And what I like about this one is the ability to be able to change the sounds. So I'm doing that same cloud with this, so you can just use the SD card to change the sounds. And I have figured out how to make it work with the Huzzah ESP 8266 version with the NeoPixels and the sound running in the background. I'm having a little bit of trouble with the sound running in the background with the ESP32, but I have both of them, and I'm not running a huge amount of power for this one. I'm also checking out so I'm checking out some of the libraries for fast LED. They just do some really good like algorithmic noise routines. And for this one, this will be like the simulation for rain. It's doing the random flicker, but I also have variables built in. So depending on how much it's raining, it'll actually increase the amount in there. Of course, I do also have to work on the setup routines, because the friend that I'm giving it to is not really that savvy when it comes to network devices or programming. So I've got to be able to do that setup, all using something like the Wi-Fi setup. And that's pretty much what I got.
All right. Sounds like you got a lot going on there, and that's a nice big maker space.
Yeah, nice Hackaday flag in the background too.
All right, sweet. Good to hear
Nice
from you.
logo.
And your
Okay.
guide is live, so people can check out Learn for
Yeah.
the latest
All right.
in Hass.io hacking.
Thank you, Richard.
Okay. Next up, JMK.
Hello, can you hear me?
Hi.
Hello. So I was looking at after doing that organizing thing that me and that we were doing, that I was doing to that I found the Pi portal in. We sorted out a few other things, and I built this pretty recently. So this was an old Windows Vista computer. So I thought I would retrofit it with a Raspberry Pi compute board and compute module, because I thought it would be a cool way to make an old computer work better with the Pi 3D Plus module. So I have in here a compute module IO board plus, not the original from Raspberry Pi, the company themselves. This is from I think WaveShare they're called, with the 3B Plus compute module right here, and a Wi-Fi adapter right up here. I'm trying to use the Pi Zero as an Ethernet gadget, but it was causing some power issues, so I'm still working on that. This is the power LED connector, which would go right about there. And if you look, I think I'm going to share my screen. Hold on. Okay, could you bring this up, the screen?
Yeah. I'll add that right now.
Okay. You see a desktop.
So this is a VNC viewer window, which I'm connecting into it with. So let me just do that. I've got just normal Pi stuff here. You can see the everything, the resource monitors and everything, working just like a normal Pi with the Wi-Fi from a Wi-Fi adapter, because the board doesn't have Ethernet. And yeah, so it's just like a normal Raspberry Pi, all retro, I guess retrofitted, you would say, into this old case. So I'm working on getting the fans to work and the CD drive to work and other things.
All right.
All right.
One last thing is, just to end it, I'm going to stop the screen. The power button works too.
Yay.
Good work.
Cool.
See, is disconnected and now it's shutting off. So yeah.
Nice.
All right. Well, you have plenty of room for a show and tell sticker if you want one. And congratulations on making maybe the biggest Pi case we've seen.
Okay, I love how you can just like plug in all the accessories. You got like.
Yeah, over here I have the ports like in the I wired the USB and the HDMI over here, so you can use them there. Or the actual.
Nice work.
All right. Well, thank you so much, MK.
Looks so cool.
Yeah.
Okay. Bye-bye.
All right. Bye.
All right. Well, that's our show for tonight.
Amazing.
Thank you, everyone, for making this the best 27 minutes or so of our week every single week. We're here every Wednesday, 7:30 p.m. Eastern Time. We do show and tell. And then at 8 p.m., which is about to happen, we do Ask an Engineer. So we'll see everybody in just a few moments.
Thank you, everybody. See you soon.
Bye-bye.
Bye.